it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Did you recognize me? I'm tan now. This has never happened before. Look at me. I'm not the color copy paper. So today's video, we are going to be doing a what I got for my 18th birthday. I love watching these videos because I am the nosiest person you'll ever meet. I love knowing everyone's business and everything, and I like these videos. It's kind of like what I got for Christmas, but like randomly throughout the year. I really enjoy watching these videos, so I wanted to do one as well. Thank you guys so much for all these sweet, like amazing, wonderful birthday wishes on Twitter and Instagram. If you're not following my Twitter and Instagram, it's gonna be right here. I'm a cool person, you should follow me. Retweet my senior pictures that I just posted. What? I'm kidding, but also not really. Also, if you have seen my senior pictures that I posted, I can do a get ready with me, like the makeup I did, how I did my hair, and then like where all my outfits are from. I can do that video if you'd like to see that as well. Let's get started with all the stuff that I got for my birthday. Oh wait, but I need to say a disclaimer. I'm not trying to brag at all. I am very thankful for every single thing that I've gotten. I have amazing, wonderful family and friends, and I'm so blessed, and I'm not at all trying to brag. And let's get started. Kayla, she got me this really cute framed picture of us. That's me, obviously, and that's her, obviously. She also got me some car air fresheners. The theme of her present was like car themed because you'll see. Car air fresheners, so these are 2 flavors. This is Hawaiian Sunrise, and I'm really excited to put these in my car and make it smell good. She also got me a cord for my car that's already in my car. My like aux cord was completely like broken. Like the wire was exposed, and it like shocked you every time you used it. She got me a new one, so it was like car themed because of that. She also got me a gift card to get my car washed because I hate getting my car washed. Well, I don't hate getting my car washed, I just hate paying for it. I went a whole year of having my car without paying for a car wash myself. Yeah, my car was really dirty. That's what Kayla got me, so thank you so much, Kayla. I love you. My friend Jared, he got me a Target gift card, which I love. He also got me this little bag that says today is the day, and it's super cute, and it was like filled with candy, and I already ate all the candy, so yum. Thank you, Jared. My sister's boyfriend Austin got me a Sephora gift card, which is very appreciated, and it totally matches my shirt right now. So here's the box for the cord that Kayla got me. My old neighbors, Dave and Carrie, they got me this. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. I don't have it on right now because I really struggle putting this on alone, so I always need help, and there's no one here to help me right now. But it's this Pandora charm bracelet, and it's so pretty. It's white, which I love the color white, and like it makes me look so tan right now. Like, and it has an 18 on it because I turned 18, and I also graduated in the year 18. So, and it's so cute and just wraps around, and I want to put it on, but I struggle putting it on. So when someone comes home, I'm gonna put it on. And it comes in a cute little box, which I closed it on. Everything's falling out of it. My friend Kayla, okay, this is so cute. She got me like a matching like bra and underwear set from Victoria's Secret, and this is what the bra looks like, and it has like velvet on it, and it's like pink and floral, and it's so cute. In the back, even cute, and like matching underwear as well. And I can't wait to wear this, honestly. I think I'm gonna wear this today. It's so cute. Like, look at it. It's my color, my aesthetic. My mom got me a shirt for the college that I'm going to, which I still have not announced yet. Procrastinating. But she also got me this little 3 set of chapstick. So this is like a spring collection. So there's green jelly bean, cotton candy, and peaches and cream in here. I have a chapstick keychain, and she said she wants me to put like these in there, so I thought that's super cute. She also got me pens. I'm obsessed with colorful pens, and so I have a set of like this for school, and I'm obsessed with it. And so these are definitely going to be for like planning out YouTube videos and things like that. She also got me my favorite candy ever, and I've eaten like the bag is down to here, and it was up to here when I got it, so definitely eating a lot of that. She also got me money, but I feel like I can't be like, here's the money my mom got me. I feel like that's just weird. My friend Sam is the sweetest person ever. This is like so clever, and I've been saving this so I could show you it, but I think the camera's washing it out. But it's a Burt's Bees chapstick, and it says, thanks for being a great friend. On the inside, it says happy bee day, like Burt's Bees, and I thought that's so cute. And her and I both love Burt's Bees chapsticks. I'm so glad for this because I lost my room chapstick, if you know what I mean. Like, you have your car chapstick, your backpack chapstick, your purse chapstick, your room chapstick. I lost my room chapstick, so that's gonna be my replacement. She's also the sweetest person ever because I've always been wanting one of those like necklaces that go right here and they have like the little bars on it, and she got me one. I'm literally obsessed with this. I'm not wearing it today because I couldn't put it on by myself, but I've done it before. But it's so cute. She didn't know what to get engraved on it, so she just got one like a heart that was like taken out of it, and then this necklace right here has the heart, so it's kind of like a best friend like thing, and it's so cute and just sits like right there, and I love it, and I'm gonna put it on when someone comes home, just like I'm in the bracelet. And it's so cute, and I literally am obsessed with this. This is the cutest thing ever. I don't even know if I can get this in frame. She made me. Oh, look at it. It's a bunch of pictures of us. Oh, it's so big. And it's like forms a heart, and it's like all of our favorite pictures together. and it's so cute. We have so many. We have homecoming, prom, buddy prom, spirit days, a random photo shoot we did, more spirit days, like New Year's Eve, the gym, winter formal, some random day, like trying on prom dresses. Like we have so many like great memories in it, and it's so cute, and I know I'm literally looking at where I'm gonna hang it, and I'm so excited for it. So other than those gifts, everyone got me money, which I'm really thankful for, and I've been spending a lot of it recently, and I'm poor now. Oh, I got myself a gift, kind of. My MacBook broke, so I had to buy myself a new one, and I also had to buy a bunch of these like little extender things because Apple is stupid and makes me buy those. That is my justification for buying a new MacBook as a birthday present for myself, because mine broke, even though I literally just bought it a couple months ago. Even the Genius Bar couldn't fix it. But that is everything that I got for my 18th birthday. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, you should subscribe. If you didn't like it, that's all cool. That's oh cool. It's okay and cool. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!